So if you are looking to add category descriptions to your WordPress website, this is the video for you. So first up, you want to make sure that your theme will actually show or support category descriptions. So I'm not going to go into that here because there's too many themes to cover. So if you just Google your theme and category descriptions, you should be able to find out if that is viewable or not. In my case, I'm using Carbonate, the super fast WordPress theme that is built for bloggers. And in that case, it does actually show the category description right here underneath. Oh, nice. I need to write some reviews. It shows it right here underneath the heading of the category, which I could show you right here also, and right here. So this little snippet of text here is the category description. So let's add it to your site here. So make sure you go to the WordPress backend. So, /wp-admin and log in with your credentials. And then over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see posts and then categories. Go ahead and click on categories. And then here you can see I've got them all done here, or for the most part. And so whenever you add a new category, you can type in a description here, or if you already have existing categories, then you can go in and just hit edit. And then at that point, you'll be able to fully flush out your description here. And in some cases, you may be able to add links and different headings, bolding, a little bit of styling here, or even some media. But some themes won't support that. It just kind of depends on the theme and how it's set up. I'm just keeping it simple here with a couple sentences, or just one big long sentence, I suppose. And then I don't have to center this text. It already gets centered in my theme. So again, you may have to play with it and see how it works. And then also if you have Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO plugin to help give your meta descriptions and all that an easy place to edit, then you'll see this Yoast SEO box right here. And then you can enter in a focus key phrase, which it just automatically pulls in the slug or the name of the category. And then it'll kind of give you a little bit of a grade here on how you're doing. In this case, I need to say like web design articles or something like that. But that's kind of a broad category. So you should be able to then enter in a good lengthy meta description here that is somewhat different from this description here. And the reason that you want to do all of this is to help not only your users, but then also you want to help Google be able to understand a little bit more about each category and what's all going on inside of that. This can help Google then rank your categories and also your posts a little bit better because they get a little bit more context as to what the heck is going on. So if you have any questions about how to add categories, how to add descriptions to categories, how to add anything else to your WordPress website, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know your question. And if you are interested in more WordPress tutorials, be sure to subscribe because there will be more coming soon.